Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Today we're going to be talking about the price of Cardano ADA at this point in time. If we look at the monthly chart of Cardano, then we have a little bit more than 3 weeks at the moment before ADA closes in the month of December, and we enter into the new year of 2022. So in the month of September, we had a green line in the Cardano ADA monthly chart, but October and November both brought along red lines with them, and we are still facing a downward trend in Cardano's price so far. People are quite worried that what's actually happening with Cardano and why the price has dropped 20%. In the last couple of weeks, we've seen a downfall in most of the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, and Cardano also decreased 12% from its previous price range. But what were the major factors that affected the price of Cardano and lowered it down to 20%? So the main question is, why did the price just drop 20%? And should we worry about this price fall? Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any updates from the world of investing. Although the price of Cardano has recovered slightly in December, this Tuesday evening did not prove to be a good day for Cardano. On Tuesday, in a matter of hours, the price of Cardano dropped down to 7%, falling from $1.87 to $1.67. That's $1.324. So, what happened to Cardano ADA? As we all know, Cardano hit the highest price record of almost $3 back in the month of September. This positive pumping of Cardano ADA gave new hope to ADA holders to stake in Cardano coins further. Moreover, investors were also very positive about Cardano's price and even predicted the price of Cardano to reach $5 at the end of 2022. However, as per the current price situation of Cardano, investors are somewhat nervous and a little bit worried, especially Cardano's holders. Nevertheless, everyone's got a little bit of a different perspective, but as far as the crypto market's concerned, it's all about making gains and losses. Furthermore, the actual thing behind the current price of Cardano is the fundamentals and management of Cardano ADA, so don't blame the monthly chart reports. Instead, Cardano always has a long-term vision, and we shouldn't forget that this is the era of technology, and technology which takes time. The smart contracts feature also needs to be tested for bugs and fixed, so that many more projects can eventually be built on Cardano. Many people believe that the Cardano development team has also released the smart contracts feature too early, and this is also the big reason for Cardano's price downfall. But in the long term, well, we may be better off now as the team are looking for ways to fix these issues fast. Cardano has experienced a downward trend since the past 2 months. Investors are worried about this downward trend for Cardano. To ease the Cardano holders, the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, took to YouTube and addressed the newcomers in particular, and they should look at the future of the Cardano coin and its improving blockchain network. Early release of the smart contracts feature is also the major reason that affected the price range of Cardano, because businesses can purchase a large amount of Cardano through smart contracts, and then they can use it for buying and selling. But unfortunately, the early release of this feature has compromised its functionality, and it's not working, so people might decide to implement another coin to run crypto payment options in their business, which means Cardano misses out on a large market share. Moreover, the smart contracts feature was always aimed to allow users to perform transactions like buying, selling, and trading without the need for intermediaries, and to build some decentralized applications to ease the Cardano users. But the early release of this feature lacks building dApps, which causes a huge impact on the Cardano blockchain, and the network ultimately affects the price of ADA. With the release of smart contracts, investors were quite optimistic that now Cardano's price is going to rise, but unfortunately it happened the other way. The main reason for this was the lacking of decentralized applications on the smart contract feature, which causes a bad impact on Cardano's price growth. Moreover, if we take a look at the price chart of Cardano, it's currently in its distribution phase, and some expert analysis are predicting another downfall for Cardano. And currently, everything is working well for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but Cardano is going through a lot of criticism due to the lack of DEXs and dApps in its blockchain network. This is also one of the reasons that Cardano's price has dropped down to 20%. However, the founder of Cardano is giving some clear statements that despite its mediocre ecosystem on the Cardano network, It will launch with more than 200 projects in the future, and it will improve the blockchain network of Cardano users and its community. This means that by 2022, the future of Cardano seems promising, but as of the current time, it is still currently on a downward phase. Moreover, according to a recent report of CoinDesk, experts are predicting that there's a 68% chance of Cardano's price to go up in the next month and a 32% chance to go down in the expected price range. Moreover, Cardano's price action has seen a strong decline over the past few weeks after a strong rally on the 9th of November, resulting in a new high set at $2.375, which is a sharp reversal followed by a pushing towards new lows by the middle of November. This time, the Cardano's price action found support at $1.60, and we've seen a bearish momentum resume over the last few hours, after a slightly higher value. Moreover, as other altcoins like Litecoin, Monero, and Zcash have gained more attention, it feels like Cardano's gotten lost in the shuffle, and this loss in popularity is a shame, because the coin is an affordable digital asset that still holds great promise. However, apart from this, there's an overlap between environmentalists, and there is a vast ground-level support system that cannot be denied. Clearly, Cardano is a coin that the holders can feel good about owning, so just because the price pulls back, it doesn't mean that the momentum and movement is slowing down. According to Alexandra Hook, Cardano has reached over 2 million wallets. The fact that ADA price was stagnant for weeks doesn't change the fundamentals. Now, if we compare ADA with Solana, then both were at $1.50 last year, and now Solana is doing incredibly well while Cardano is dropping. This is because of the difference of supply and market cap between the two cryptocurrencies. The market capitalization of Cardano is not doing so well from the last couple of months. Cardano has currently more than 33 billion coins circulating, but it has a cap of 45 billion set in the market. So if Cardano ADA has to pick up the momentum again and set itself up as a leader in the crypto world, then it should work on its price falls. Unlike the ecosystem of Ethereum, we heard for years from the Cardano ecosystem. People are saying that Cardano developers are not ever going to build anything, but for now, they've fulfilled all the major milestones on the roadmap, and that gives us a clear idea that where actually the ecosystem can be full, and things can be created on Cardano. Now the Cardano developers aren't only building fast enough, but also moving the guild boats. So if we continually hold and close above this particular price of the price range, it will create a beautiful bottom pattern like this. Starting from the ascending triangle of the monthly price chart, we can see a key level of resistance at the moment. In addition, as per the recent smart technical analysis of Wallet Investor, ADA is an awesome long-term investment, and predictions are that among the virtual currencies with good returns, Cardano is one of them, as it is a profitable investment option. This means that if you start investing today at $1.30, the current price of one Cardano, and hold long-term, or over 5 years, based on the long-term vision of ADA, the coin could be double or triple in 5 years. But no one knows the future. This simply sums up Cardano, and it could be a good investment with its current low prices. Remember that this video is meant for educational purposes, and before you do any serious investing, consult your financial advisor first. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community platform that offers thousands of educational videos and courses that creative people can learn from or strengthen an existing passion, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Skillshare helps bring creativity to life with a number of class topics to choose from, including freelancing, entrepreneurship, and marketing classes, which are a combination of video lessons and class projects that can fit any schedule or skill level. We recently took Michael Cherno's Skillshare class on entrepreneurship hustle, from business plan to real success. And this gave us a great understanding of how to start your own business, and all the skills necessary to go down the path of entrepreneurship success. One of the best things about Skillshare is that it's specifically tailored for learning and includes no ads in its classes. And with premium classes launching every week, you can stay focused on learning without any unnecessary distractions. Individuals from different backgrounds can use Skillshare, as Skillshare offers subtitles in Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Dutch. The first 1,000 people to use this link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, link in the description. While you're still here, please go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.